Hey guys, long time no see, long time no see. How you guys doing? Thanks for joining me on my channel here today. It's No Takeout Fridays, and today I'm sharing how to make the best authentic Jamaican oven jerk chicken. Alright, so join me in the kitchen now. So I'm going to be starting on the jerk seasoning. So let me give you a rundown of what I have here. I have some garlic here, scallion, onion, ripe and green pepper for flavor and for heat, ginger, wish I had more but that's what I have, thyme, pimento, nutmeg, and cinnamon. In here, in my blender here, I have about a quarter cup of soy sauce. And then in here I have about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and in here I have about a tablespoon of salt, and then I'll be adding some molasses in there as well, and a little oil to get everything moving. Alright, so I'm just going to start by adding everything to my blender here. I'm going to start by adding it. That's it's a quick one. I do have a more in-depth video on my channel, jerk seasoning. I'll link it in the cards above. You'll see it's in the right hand corner right up here, or I'll link it in the description box below. Alright. Adding about a tablespoon of molasses, sugar, salt. Don't worry guys, the ingredients list will be in the description box. I'm now adding some oil to get the blender running. Give it a quick taste, and it needs a little more sugar, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon more to sort of balance out the flavors. And this is what it's looking like, and I tell you, you can't miss that authentic jerk flavor smell. Alright, so here I have my chicken now that has been, cleaned and washed. So, and I'm using some paper towel to remove the excess water from it, because we need to have the authentic Jamaican jerk flavor, as I said before. So I don't want to have too much liquid on it. So that's why I'm using the paper towels to dry it off. I remember I also want to waste something around here, so we're trying to get out everything from down in at the bottom of the blender there. And here's my freshly made jerk seasoning here. It's so good. It smells so good. And I'm adding here about 2 heaping tablespoons to my chicken here. I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken. I think about 16 to 18 wings. Yeah man, and this is completely optional, but because I have it, I said let me use it. Some of my green seasoning. I have a video out on that as well, which will be linked in the description box. And as usual, with a bag over my hand, I'm going in. I'm going to massage this seasoning here over the chicken here. Really good. Need to get it all over the chicken. Side note here as well. You may have wondered earlier when I was making the sauce why I use so much salt. But as you may have noticed, I haven't added any salt to it. So that's the reason why I added that salt. So I won't have the need to add any more salt to the meat. And from the looks of it, I think I need some more, so I'm going to add about 2 more tablespoons of my freshly made jerk sauce here to the chicken, and then continue to massage it in. Come on, so that's it for the chicken. Now we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge to marinate overnight. Hi guys, it's the next day. I'm now ready to start on the chicken. I took it out of the fridge for about an hour now. I have it resting on the counter here. So I'm now ready to put these bad boys in the oven. But first I'm going to just start, stir it around to get the marinade all over the chicken. So I have my baking tray and I have a wire rack on there. The reason for this is to, to have the air circulating around them, because I don't want to have it down flat on the baking tray to have it in the juice. As I said before, I need the authentic, jerk taste in it. So that's why I'm using the wire rack here. Alright, I'm just going to place them on there. And then I have my oven preheating at about 170 for about half an hour now. And this marinade I'm going to put aside. I'm going to make my my basting sauce with it. Alright, so I'm going to place these in the oven and then check on them in about 20 minutes or so. While those are going in the oven, I have in my pot here the leftover marinade. I added about a tablespoon more of the jerk seasoning and about half a cup of water. And right here now I'm adding about a tablespoon of ketchup and about 2 teaspoons of molasses. For added flavor, and I added the smokiness as well and some color also. So I'm going to simmer this down for about 10 minutes, thicken it up some, and then we'll move on from there. It has now been about 10 minutes and this is what it's looking like. Just in time for my wings. I have them in the oven for about 20 minutes now. So I'm going to give them the first basting. Sorry about that guys, I didn't realize that it was out of focus, but it will get better when I'm basting them the second time around. So I'm just going to look at that color there. Oh, today it smells so good. And this is the sauce. I'm just going to use my brush and just brush it on. I don't know, this is so soothing for me guys. Cooking is soothing for me, it's therapeutic for me. I'm just brushing that beautiful sauce on the wings there, and then I'm going to pop it back in the oven. And then in about 15-20 minutes more or so, I'll take it out and then do the same thing. This is the second time around I'm taking it out of the oven. It has been about now 40 minutes in the oven running. I'm now ready to give it the second coating, and look at that, so beautiful. And as well as if each time I take it out of the oven it smells even better. So I'm just going to turn them and then give them a second, basting. Okay, so that's it for the basting. I'm going to return them to the oven and keep them in there for another 10 minutes or so. And this is what they're looking like out of the oven. Sorry about the lighting guys, I've been having some crappy lighting because the rain is falling and my lighting is acting up. And here is the finished product guys. How beautiful is that? Here I have it served with my homemade festivals. I have a video coming up on those festivals, so be on the lookout for that guys. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. See you on my next video guys.